that make complete sense. That means we cannot make a sentence without any sense. Okay? Three things to be remembered are: in number 1, the words in a sentence are placed in their proper order to make a complete sense. That means we have to place the word in a manner that it makes a complete sense. In number 2, a sentence always begins with capital letter. That means whenever we start a sentence, we should start with a capital letter. Number 3, a sentence has a full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark at the end. That means at the end of any sentence, there must be full stop, question mark and exclamatory mark. Okay, then only we can call it a complete sentence. Example are: I need a cup of tea. That means we are following these 3 rules together. Then only we can form a complete sentence. Like we are following the second one, that means we are making the first letter with capital letter, and then the third one is the sentence has a full stop. That means we are giving full stop. And the number 1 is that we are placing these all words in a proper order to make a complete sense. Okay, then we go for the second example. Are you feeling hungry? In this also we are following these 3 important things. The first A is capital letter, and at the last you can see the question mark, and all these words are arranged in a proper order.